Hey Fruit Faces, it is KlaireeBerry, and I just want to talk with you guys today about how you can smell your best. I've talked about this before, but I just want to revisit it again a little bit more closely. If you want to smell good naturally, then you should definitely watch this video. One of my pet peeves is when I go somewhere, whether it's to church or the gym or to work or somewhere, and you have to sit with people who have so much perfume on that, like, I feel like that should be banned. Some people are really sensitive to that sort of thing. And when you're overpowering your body with these fake scents, these synthetic chemical scents, you're not doing yourselves any favors. Your pheromones, your natural attracting scent is going to smell better. Like, you're going to be more attractive to people if you smell better and if you're healthier. Those two things go hand in hand. If you know about pheromones, you've read about that before. Covering your natural scent up is not going to make you smell good. I mean, yeah, there are people out there that are attracted to this chemical scent or that chemical scent, but I think for the most part, from what I hear, talking to girls, a lot of girls I know like the natural smell of a man. Really, it only gets to be bad if you like marinate in it for a while, but our natural scents can and should be allowed to come out. I don't use antibacterial or antiperspirants. Anything like that's just really bad for you. And the deodorant that I personally use is unscented, and I have no issues with it, just the salt stick. I think I've cut down my smell a lot. Like, I used to get a whiff of my shoes or something after a long day. It's like, woo! And I noticed that, I can go longer without, being as necessarily as clean as I would have. You just feel cleaner from the inside out. And that feeling, like after you drink, like you can tell stuff's coming through your pores. It's almost like that, but it does happen with meat and cheese, dairy. Like I said, alcohol was one of them. Coffee is one of them. It's very acidic. It's bad for your teeth. It makes your breath smell. It actually comes through your sweat as well. And it's just that nasty acidic smell. All of these smells are going to be adding up. All of these substances are going to be adding up to make you smell worse. And combined, when you're combining the coffee, the alcohol, and then you lack water, oh, that's just like the worst. And I could tell you, going to the bathroom, we have like one bathroom that's a staff bathroom at our school, at where I work, and there's like the kids' bathroom, and I almost always go in the kids' bathroom because the staff bathroom is small. It's one little room, not ventilated, and they try to keep a Febreze there, but literally I don't ever remember smelling like that bad or like having my shit stink that bad. But I can definitely tell you for sure that farts, like right when I went vegan, they got really bad. They got really putrid, and I was like, oh shit, I hope this doesn't last. But like after a few days, that was over. And by the way, if you just have any pains or anything like that when you're first going vegan, just drink a little bit of baking soda and you'll be fine, or a little antacid or something. That's all that I noticed, really. But yeah, when you're drinking a lot of water, when you're doing the things that the high carb lifestyle, like naturally Russell 4 calls for, you're going to be smelling way better. Again, not just because you're cutting out this rotting, putrid, acidic forming, meat and dairy and eggs from your body and all of the contaminants and the pollutants that come with it that your body is not going to be used to. But you're also cutting out, if you're doing it right, and I am finally now cutting out the alcohol, cutting out the coffee, and you'll just smell so much better. And you may think, well, what the hell is life going to be like if I can't have, my meat, my dairy, my eggs, my alcohol, my coffee? Like, if you think that's what life is about, then honestly, I feel sorry for you, because life is so much more than that. And just the fact that all of these things, they are so unhealthy, and I mean, like in alcohol's case, like we try to pretend like it's this healthy thing for us, but it's not. It's brainwashing, just like with meat, dairy, and eggs. And it's awesome. It's so awesome once you like get over that hump and realize like you don't need these in your life. You don't need people who are, wanting you to do those with them. Like, there are so many other benefits. Like I've been through, like with coffee, for instance, doing different substitutions. I've had the tea chino, which is really good. And if you're craving coffee, it's like really similar, really close. Alcohol, sparkling water, soda, Zevia soda, or whichever soda. Like organic Blue Sky is really good. Seltzer water. There's actually alcohol-free beers and sparkling wines and stuff like that. Like, you can have fun with it. It's really awesome to be able to kind of embrace your real life, like the way that you were intended to live. And just like, our bodies are actually wired to have us be happy. And a lot of these substances, even coffee, I mean, they're drugs. They mess with our moods. They really can hurt and cause and contribute to anxiety, depression, different things like this. So, we think it's one of those things like with cigarettes, they say it's a stress reducer for people, once they're addicted, but then you're actually causing more stress in your body. And that's the same thing. Like, we use these things to relax, to have fun, and then we end up coming full circle. And it's like, these things are not. And even with coffee, you think you're trying to stay awake and alert and everything. It can make you feel more exhausted. It can give you brain fog. It can actually, people think they're, drinking caffeine too, so they don't eat, but it actually backfires and they have this mysterious weight gain factor going on. It can actually cause skin sensitivities, can lead to and exacerbate inflammation, morning stiffness, joint pain, can contribute to headaches and migraines, sensitivity to light, itchy eyes, frequent colds and congestion. Just something that you really want to think about. And so, yes, I've given up coffee again. I've given up alcohol. I'm just so excited to be like clean and steady and just really see how my body responds. Because I've been off of it here and there, but I've never really quit all of those things at all of the same time. So, and for good. So, knock on wood, gonna do it. I think I'm primed and ready to go. I think I'm like, have that knowledge piece that you need to have, and then the experience that really, I know deep down these foods are not good. Because we're made to smell good. I mean, we're made to put these smells out there to attract, again, with our pheromones, attract, each other. And our bodies are not made to be repulsive, and that's just one of these things. We shouldn't look at each other and feel repulsed. We shouldn't smell each other and feel repulsed. This is something that comes from not taking care of yourself. So, just wanted to put that out there. I know we all want to look and smell our best, especially now that it's summer. It's not summer, but it's spring, and we're all thinking about summer. I know I am. So let me know what you guys think. Have you noticed this as well, that you smell better when you don't drink coffee, when you don't drink alcohol, when you don't eat meat and dairy and eggs? Let me know. Take care. Don't forget your fruit. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.